Okay, so this is our prototype. The prototype basically consists in when you press the button, the RGB LED turns into red, and then the buzzer sounds, and the camera points to you. There's also the fact of temperature, which turns the LED on red when the temperature is too high, and that also works with the smoke sensor. When it detects a lot of smoke, the LED turns into red and the buzzer sounds. This is how we basically connected everything to the Arduino, and these are all the components. The servo motor simulates a camera which points in the direction that the button is to record everything that it's happening. Our idea is the best because with the with this panic button, you have a lot of features that it could turn on.